Hey guys, I'm Mike from Reese, and today we're taking a look at the Reese Tow and Store Anti-Theft Lock Kit, part number 7014700. This anti-theft kit provides all the necessary locks to give you complete security when either storing or towing your trailer. Included in the kit is a coupler lock, a brass coupler and latch lock, and dual bent pin receiver locks. And to make things even more convenient, all pieces of the kit are keyed alike so that they can be unlocked or locked using the provided keys, also included in the kit. When you need to securely store your trailer, the universal coupler lock is easy to use, made of durable steel, and coated in a yellow powder coat finish for high visibility and protection from the elements. It works with most couplers and features a ratchet design with 11 locking positions. To use, simply take one of the provided keys and unlock and remove the shackle. Place the yellow locking base into the socket of your trailer's coupler, then insert the shackle back into the locking base so that it hits tight against the top of the trailer coupler. And that's it. When you're ready to remove it, just unlock the device with your key and slide the shackle from the locking base. To ensure your towing accessories are secure while towing, the kit provides two sizes of bent locking pins, a 1/2 inch diameter and a 5/8 inch diameter. The 1/2 inch diameter pin is meant for use with 1 1/4 inch trailer hitch receivers, and the 5/8 inch diameter pin is for 2 and 2.5 inch trailer hitch receivers. Both pins are made from durable steel and feature a protective coating to prevent against rust and corrosion. The locking base fits both pins and features a textured design to help with grip, and a rubber dust cap to keep dirt and grime from collecting in the lock. And last but not least, the coupler latch lock is great to ensure that your trailer coupler is staying securely locked whether you're towing or storing your trailer. Its base is made from durable brass, while the shackle is made of steel with a protective finish to protect against the elements. The lock is designed to fit most couplers and can be used to securely latch the trailer's coupler when it's engaged, or close while towing, or be used as an added security to prevent the coupler from being opened when the trailer is unattended. And that wraps up the Reese Tow and Store Anti-Theft Lock Kit, part number 7014700. For more information on this and other great products from Reese, visit reeseproducts.com.